everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Chitrakshi. I am a calligrapher. So in today's video, we will learn to how to write a quote in calligraphy. So let's start with background. First, we will have to do a background for our calligraphy. So I am making a light background, pink color on the paper. I am making random background. I am using two colors, pink and green. You can also use one color to make background. It is easy to make random background first. After that, we will learn how to make the pattern background and the other backgrounds as well. So this our background is done. So first to write, we will make the guidelines. I am using DOMS brush pen. I am used two colors blend to write. Okay, so today's quote is self-understanding is the key to happiness. So let's write. First I will blend this. I'm blend like this. First apply the dark pigment and then apply the light color and put it on it like this. So our pen contains the dark pigment. Okay, I'm writing it. Then I'm right here. Okay, I'm bolding this. I'm increasing the line length. Okay. That's all about the final quote writing in calligraphy. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.